Viewers and subscribers, I don't really do this on a regular basis, But guess what, I have to come and voice my opinion. I have to come and express my views on this particular matter. This particular matter what I talk about involve a popular dancehall producer.
Yo, Papi Don, I love the body, cause the body make me happy. This one you loyal. Your friend never knock it.
Yeah.
Don't know Papi Don music.
Yes, by now, I know everybody get the news. Everybody hear what I go on. And when I say everybody hear what I go on, I talk about people who is in tune to this new generation of dancehall music. And as a matter of fact, even if you are not in tune to this new generation of dancehall music, the name Papi Don is so popular, you have to hear it somewhere, somehow. Papi Don is one of the new generation top music producer, hitmaker. His formal name is Dante Johnson. He graduated from Cornwall College and then went on to Montego Bay Community College. That means he's a well-educated individual, a very smart businessman. But in this particular case, he found himself on the wrong side of the law. He was arrested in the United States on scam-related charges. Dante, aka Papi Don, is just 25 years old. And now him there in a trouble. Whole heap of trouble. Papi Don was accused of scamming a Sarasota resident there in the state of Florida. The victim is a 88-year-old man, and he was scammed out of $63,000 US. According to the Sarasota Community Sheriff's Office, the poor old man believes he did not pay taxes in order to receive his winnings from the publisher's clearinghouse. The poor old man deposited $63,000 into two separate banking accounts. On October 2020, the matter was brought to the sheriff's department by a family member. It is reported that with the help of surveillance camera, the detectives that are working on the case was able to identify Dante. America is a first world country that has a very unique and connected surveillance system. Every corner you turn, every individual business place have proper surveillance system. The first thing what they go do, I try to trace the money. Where the money was deposited, where the money was withdrawn. Once they have them information there, then can able to use time stamp and directly pinpoint the time when the money was withdrawn, and then they can go upon them surveillance footage and identify who withdraw the money. Not only that, when you exit that money machine where you withdraw the money from and go upon the first street, the camera across the road will pick you up same way. Then can access that camera information too. Anywhere you turn, for any street, if you're going to one store, if you're going to one vehicle, then go able to tell the brand vehicle, the year the vehicle did buy, who for name register inner, and all those information are easily accessible. Allegedly, Dante is the person who carried out the act. Allegedly. Two forces run things on earth, good and bad, positive, negative, legal, illegal. Yin, yang are just two energy, equal and opposite of each other. However, a search warrant was used to search the premises of which Dante resided. After a thorough search was carried out, the police officers found a couple tall things lean up over the center of the corner. I mean, I talk about AK rifle. Plus two of the little matic them put on right there up on the kitchen counter. You don't know the shreps. $17,000 US were also found there on the premises. They also seized paperwork and electronic devices used to carry out scamming activities. Papi Don is now out on bail. To be honest, if a Jamaica him did there and got caught with the same crime, may I tell you the honest truth. There is a very large, humongous possibility that he would still be there in that jail, lock up in a one jail cell, and in the process of changing his skin color like lizard because he would not down there a bleach for quite some time before even the possibility of getting any bail. The only thing Papi Don need for focus on right now is a good team of lawyers who can take this case and bring victory for him. God know, me nah wish nothing bad for nobody. God know, if in a situation like this is sticky. So the only thing we can wish for the youth is some good money, to pay some good lawyer, and a victory. Victory, me say. You see me? No matter what, me nah wish the worst for nobody in the realest way. It is said that Papi Don was able to scam numerous American citizens, which accumulated over $300,000. John, no. I tell you, brethren, one more youth get caught up in the system right there, so, you know. One more youth I know have to go invest money in a to pay a lawyer when they could use it to do something else, you know, brethren. The youth is a very talented record producer and the youth been producing the hits on top of hits, you see me? Yeah, in the realest way. So right now, we just hope the youth stay focused, continue to put in your work in the music. In the realest way still, I hope the music fraternity pour out their support towards the youth in whichever way they can, you know. Try to give the youth enough moral support to get through a time like this in the realest way, you see me? Do what you can do to support a youth, to go through in trials and tribulation because I could have you, I could have me in the realest way, you see me? Let's not cast none judgments because everybody is innocent until proven guilty in the realest way, you see me? Papi Don, just remember in a youth. Keep yourself grounded, don't bother get too giggy-headed. Just get yourself in order, youth, and make sure say you do the right thing if you win your case, you see me, in the realest way. Make sure say you not keep yourself around some people who go make your situation even worse than it is right now. Make sure say you keep yourself clean and go through my youth and try to overcome the situation because everybody have their own burden, you know. Everybody have their own cross to bear, you see me? So in the realest way, youth, it's just a trial, this. This is just a test to make you stronger, you see me? So you have to just overcome and just do the right thing. Hey, yeah, me I take an opportunity to talk to the young generation of Jamaica. Young generation, you have the ability to be whatever you want to be. Now is the time and the age where you must rise up and take your place in this global space here. You are great. You are the creator of the world that you want to live in. So if you want to see this world a peaceful place, you have to start imagine that peaceful place. You have to start do what is necessary to contribute to our country being a better place. You can come be the next greatest thing the world has ever known. You can come be the person who find the cure for AIDS. You can come find the cure for long life. Possibilities are endless. You can't just get up every day and think say you want to be one bad man. You want to go in a scamming. You want to go be a gunman. You want to be all sort of nah man. Trust me, the opportunities are here like anywhere else in the world for you to become a great individual. You just have to make that choice. Consciously make that choice for your life. Of course you can do it. Of course you have the willpower inside of you. Let me tell you something. You need to go in the dictionary. Use Google or go up on YouTube and start use those platforms to help yourself to lift your awareness. Because in the realest way, our hurt if we live on this land and we don't know the meaning of esteem, moral, and confidence. Hey, let me tell you something. A lot of people have the right keys but do not know which door is the right door to open. So do not be one of those fools. When you have the right keys, use it to unlock certain levels of life so you can be able to elevate and lift yourself up out of whatever situation. Today you're down, comes tomorrow. Chances of rising again seems hollow. Doubts may be in your mind. Oh, give it time, and all will be fine. Seems you cannot make it, but you can. Though the road may be wide and long, our feet may get weary, not our mind. We will find light in the darkest of time. Oh, oh, and we are tomorrow keepers. Wake up now, nation of thinkers.
Mighty, triumphant, fearless. Be a beacon of hope to the world. Today you're down, comes tomorrow. Chances of rising again.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.